Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Shopify with AutoDS. First, you will create an AutoDS account and choose a plan that fits your business needs. Next, navigate to the Ad Store section in your AutoDS dashboard. You will then enter your Shopify store's unique URL and securely authorize the connection. Finally, install the AutoDS app directly from the Shopify App Store to bridge these two powerful platforms. This initial setup takes just a few minutes. Once connected, importing products is straightforward. You can use AutoDS's powerful research tools to find trending items from various suppliers. Easily import single products by pasting a URL or add hundreds at once with a bulk CSV upload. Before publishing, customize details like titles, descriptions, and images to match your brand. You can push them live immediately or save them as drafts for later review. AutoDS truly shines with its automated order fulfillment. When a customer places an order on your Shopify store, AutoDS automatically processes it with your supplier. It then updates tracking numbers and changes order statuses, keeping your customers informed without manual effort. For even greater automation, consider using the Fulfilled by AutoDS feature, which handles everything from purchase to shipping, saving you valuable time. To ensure long-term success, continuously monitor and optimize your store. The AutoDS dashboard provides valuable insights into your performance. Use its dynamic pricing tools to adjust product prices based on market trends, ensuring you stay competitive. Efficiently manage inventory to avoid overselling, and leverage the advanced analytics to make informed decisions, helping your business grow and thrive.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.